type molded cover, floor mat I should say, cover. I'm always thinking about covers when I'm talking Covercraft. Hey, Mark Greene here from Cars Yeah for Covercraft. Today I want to talk a little bit about floor mats. Now that may sound like a boring subject, but I love floor mats and I'll tell you why. They freshen up your car, they make an older car feel brand new again. They protect the original carpet and floors in your car, which is a payback when you go to sell the car, believe me, because when a new buyer takes a look at a car, a used car, and he takes those mats out and he sees how clean everything is underneath, it looks factory fresh, you'll get a few more bucks for your car. In fact, I'll bet you that you would get your money back that you spent on mats over the time you've owned your car when you go to sell it, if you protect the original carpets. That's both the front, the back seats, the trunk. Now this old car, it's 15 years old. I've gone through a bunch of sets of floor mats, and the ones I have in right now are kind of a custom fit by Covercraft, a Berber type finish. They're a light gray, which contrasts the dark interior. This car goes nice with the red and black, of course. But I like to mix it up. You know, when you order a new set of mats, don't just get the same old thing. Get a little crazy, get a little wild. You can go for some colors, different fabrics, textures. It'll make you feel like you have a new car, which is really kind of cool in a very inexpensive way. A couple of things about cleaning your mats. I always suggest take them out of the car. Take them away from the car. You can beat them with something. You can brush them with something. You can use a coarse brush to kind of agitate things out. You can shake them real well. If you don't want to get your vacuum out, just take them out and shake them out away from the car, bring them back and put them in. But it's always good to beat them a little bit, agitate them a little bit, use a vacuum, get them really clean, keep them clean, and then put them back in the car. But it just makes them look really nice and clean. So if you want a new car feeling with an old car like this one, get yourself some Covercraft floor mats. They're custom fit. They fit like a glove. They've got special attachment systems for some of their mats so they don't slide forward and get under your pedals. This new set of mats I have is really cool. I love the way they look. Check them out, covercraft.com. This is Mark from Cars Yeah. Go to covercraft.com for all your car protection.